This is example of parallel resistance and series resistance derivation. So we could able to derive in single circuit as resistor in series as resistor in parallel. Okay, I took two resistor for series, two resistor for parallel. The example resistor are 8 ohm resistance, 4 ohm resistance in series, R ohm resistance, 3 ohm resistor in parallel. So let's go with solve this resistor, both the connection of series and parallel. So beginning of this circuit, both resistance and series. So we may short out into series. 8 plus 4, 12. We make those two resistance into one resistance as add. 12 ohm resistance are here. Then 6 ohm and 3 ohm resistors are in parallel. So comes to parallel circuit, we will get 1 by 2. Those two resistance connected nearby. So may the calculation both are in series. Finally, we will get R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2. So 12 ohm resistance comes from resistance in series. 2 ohm resistance comes from resistance parallel. Okay. Then this circuit is a example circuit for series connection and parallel connection combine of the circuit. Same as this circuit also connection in parallel as well as series but different connection. Okay, this example circuit shows as a R equivalent 1, R equivalent 2. So consisting of R equivalent 1 having R1 by R2, R equivalent to R2 by R2. So both two R equivalent are in series. So which is converted into single R equivalent. Then let us see the Kirchhoff's rules. Kirchhoff rule having two. One is a junction rule, another one is loop rule. Okay, let us see the first rule of junction rule. Every entire current meet in a single point. After that meeting, it will segregate or it will split up to the various direction. It will be called as a junction. So same as I have to explain the sum of the current entering any junction must equal the sum of the current leaving that junction. I will give an example for the junction rule. I1 current entering the junction, may segregate to I2 and I3. So formula of junction rule is summation of I in equal to summation of I out. Here we may calculate I in is I1, I out is I2 plus I3. The junction rule can have explained by one network diagram. This network diagram having one battery sources del V along with R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 resistance with some junctions A, B, C, D. Okay, here we may calculate 5 resistance, 4 junctions. So how to calculate the junction across of the resistors? So this network can give 4 different mathematical equation across of each junctions. Let us consider A1 junction. This A1 junction let allow I current and let leave I1 and I2 current. So we make this junction A I equal to I1 plus I2. This is the junction rule of A. Then we have to move junction B here. Two entering current is there, one leaving current is there. So I1 plus I5 equal to I3. So I have to explain entering current in the sense the arrow mark get into the junction, the arrow mark leave into the junction. Okay, meanwhile, we have to consider C junction here. I2 is entering, I5, I4 is leaving. Then D junction having I4, I3 is entering current, I is leaving current. This is the junction rule example. Next, we move with loop rule. Loop rule in the sense, loop rule having two different categories. That first category or resistor being in clockwise, the current is minus. The resistor being in anti-clockwise, the current is plus. Then